Together, Bob.
You're a smart aleck.
You put macaroni and 3 minutes on yourself. Okay, that's just weird.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh. You're gonna hit yourself in the mouth.
Oh yeah, you
You're
are.
gonna hit yourself in the mouth.
Oh my gosh, that's nice. Hey, move it up more.
I can.
Where's Papa Mouse? Number 2.
I guess you got caught a waller now.
You're such a goober. You're such a goober.
That's your nose, Lamey.
You have the bowl.
Fun.
You get Mandy the bowl.
Very fun.
You get Mandy the bowl.
Very fun. Very fun.
Your name take the bowl. You can give Nanny the bowl.
Very fun.
You want Nanny to get your bowl? You Nanny get it?
Get in a bowl.
Uh-oh.
Plate.
Whoops.
Bill. Did you hear Mom? I said this. Bill. Like a boy. Bellers. Bill. Did you hear the bell. The bell. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Bird. Bird. Ew.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the shakiest video.
That's funny.
Brings back a lot of memories now. Brings back a lot of memories, don't you?
Guys. Bow.
What's wrong with your hair?
She knows something's on her face. She's not sure where it's at.
Bow. 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 Bow.
You goober.
What?
We know that's a bell.
Bow. 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 I know, but you're a boy. Thanks.
Are you not getting enough attention?
Hey-o. 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 Hey-o.
There you go.
Hey-o. Hey-o. Hey-o.
Julie.
Where'd you get that gut from? You don't need enough to get that.
It's a milk gut.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, Sammy Joe. I can't see her macaroni on her face.
I can.
Well, I cannot at all. Not even one tiny bit. Oh no, see. Oh, Joe. Hey,
Mama will get here to see you before I clean you out.
We need to take Grandma to see the hospital.
Nothing out there but mirrors. Doors. Door handles.
Are you getting tired?
I know, but I bet they won't
Thank
see it.
you. Thank you. What you got?
She here? I thought I heard her door.
I did too.
Must have been Julie.